And our mother Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, the wife of the Prophet, she says in a hadith that the Prophet, when he's with me and his wives, he's so engrossed and so loving, as though everything are we. But the moment he hears the Adhaan, he leaves everything and walks as though, what happened? Because he heard the call of Allah. And he goes to the mosque. This is the implication of Tawheed in your life. But unfortunately, every one of us doesn't do that. Or most of us doesn't do that. Many people say, you can call me 24/7. You want to meet me? You can meet me 24/7. This statement is an ignorant statement. And when really the important person, and I want to meet him anytime, I say you can meet me anytime except during the time of Salah. I never tell anyone 24/7. 24/7 is only for Allah. Besides Allah, no one else can I say 24/7, not even my wife, not even my son. But it's a common statement we say in English, 24/7. So in future, remember, if he's really important person, okay, you can call me. Because Salah is every day of your life, minimum 5 times. And other most of times are there.